Hello everyone, we will be learning how we can defer layout and then update in a pivot table. So far we have been making pivot table and chart using small data set. How we can do it in a large data set? So we have a data set from Global Forest Watch with more than 2000 rows of data. So you can see it's a huge data set. So let's make a pivot table using this data set. So we are going to insert, then add pivot table on a new worksheet, and then we are going to select the variable. So I'm moving around the fields randomly between the areas so that you can see where it ends up. So you can see right away it's updating whenever we make changes, and it takes time. If you have a larger data set, you can see it's keep working on the changes because we added different variables, so it takes a huge amount of time. To avoid that, let's see what we can do. So down below you can see that there is a defer layout option. So we can actually use it so that we can defer what we want. We are going to select, it's not going to be updated right away, so it will defer the update we are making on our table. So you can see it's not updating. Whenever we are selecting, previously it was updating. Now since we selected default layout update, it's not updating. Let's click on the update. So you can see that whatever changes you made, it's now updating, and then this is how we are going to defer layout and then update later. That's it. Thank you.